Today, I'm in the Aldi aisle of shame, and there's so many great finds that beat Walmart and Amazon. I can't wait to show you. Now, normally when I come to Aldi, I'm not a big fan of the shoes, but you guys, these look so good, especially these right here. These tan shoes with the white detail, I love these. They're $14.99, but you need to get to your store early because sizes will sell out. They also have them with like a leopard pattern as well. Now, I try really hard to DIY these twisted candles, but I'm not very good at it. You can get them here. You can get 2 for $3.49. I feel like that's a good deal. I'm not necessarily into the purple ones, but they have this blue one, and then this one is yellow. So if you're needing some tapered candles, these might be a good option. At Aldi this week, they have a pretty fun little weekender bag. I mean, honestly, this looks really heavy duty. I love that it has this separate compartment at the bottom, which would be perfect for shoes, but it's pretty large. It's right under $30, which I feel like is comparable to an Amazon price. You can get it in a gray. They also have a stripe, or you can get it in black. This is an oversized bowl. Now it's priced at $16.99, but this is large. This would make a great fruit bowl in your kitchen. I mean, really, you could do anything with it, but it's really pretty for the price. This is the coolest piece of furniture. I wish I needed this in my house, but I don't know where I would put it. This little accent cabinet, look at this. This is so pretty, you guys. It's got this light wood. It looks like a little bit of a bamboo detail here. This is priced under $70. You are not gonna beat that price. I can't think of anywhere I could get this for that same price. They have the same thing in a nightstand, and this one is under $30. If you're needing nightstands or a side table, I think this would be a great option. I love that it has a cabinet, so much storage. These Bluetooth speakers are $7.99 and they come in these really fun colors. I feel like that's a great price. You are not gonna beat that on Amazon. And look, you can get it in this fun stripe. I love the blue, or there's this purple option. My favorite thing at Aldi is the kitchen items. They have so many great items. Now, these little glass jars are $9.99. Look how cute they are. You could put so many different things in here. This would be perfect for a party or maybe to sit out on your coffee bar. So they have that one. They also have this one. Now, this one only has 2. These are gonna be white ceramic. Let me show you a picture of them. They have these great little bamboo lids, and they come with the spoons. The thing I'm noticing with immersion blenders is the addition of the chopping. The one we found on Amazon was around $35. It's about $10 cheaper here. You could get it for right at $25. This is going to have your chopping, your immersion blender, and it will have the whisk. Now, when you think of shopping at Aldi's, you do not think, let's go there and buy furniture, but they have some of the best deals on furniture. This bench right here, you guys, is $39.99. This would be perfect to put at your front entryway. You could put shoes underneath, or you could put it behind your couch. So many options. You could get it with the gray top, or they have like a white cream top. Does your pet need a luxury pet sofa? This one's right under $45. I feel like Moose may not get on this. I'd love to know what you guys think of these retractable wall hooks. They're pretty fun here. Now, this one is under $10, and you can get it in the dark wood or the light wood. They also have this one that's more of your traditional wall hook. That one is under $8. Now, if you're looking for some home decor, you can save $5 and get these apothecary jars here at Aldi. Now, these are great to put out in your decor, just the glass jars. They're also great storage in your bathroom. Aldi has the best decorative bowls. Look at this one with the little scallop detail, and I also love this one. If I was to buy this on Amazon, I know it would be so much more expensive. I thought we could put together a decorative centerpiece with all the items I just picked up at Aldi. So the first thing you're gonna need is a tray. I know that I have bought big trays from Aldi in the past, and when they have them out, they're really good to pick up. This is a tray that I just ordered from Amazon. I love the size of it, and I also love the handles. If you're looking for anything that I'm talking about in today's video that I picked up at Amazon or Walmart, I will link it for you down below in the description box, or you can scan the QR code right here to take you to my Amazon items. So that is going to be our base. The next item, this bowl from Aldi, I just thought was perfect, so I got this. Now, I'm gonna be putting something decorative in here, but you could always add in like lemons, fruit, anything you wanna sit out. The other thing I wanna do just as like a base is put a few thrifted books. These are honestly just going to help me increasing the height for things back here. In my vase, what am I gonna put in there? I recently bought these on Amazon. They are little like woven rattan eggs. I thought they were so cute. Now the thing about these is they don't sit upright. So I'm gonna try to put them together so that they kind of just lean on each other. This is a blue bunny that I just got at Walmart this week, so hopefully it's still out. I will link it and hopefully it's still available, but I thought it was so adorable. And then these tulips right here, these are from Amazon. These are actually 2 packs. You can get them in so many colors. I have them in white, but they're one of my favorite flowers to display for spring. And this is an upcoming DIY that's gonna come out in a few weeks. So I'm just gonna add those to the back of my tray. And then these were the jars that we just picked up at Aldi. These little apothecary jars. I couldn't believe how big they were for the price, but you get both of these jars for $9.99. These would be great to just set out. You could also put candy in them. Now I want to add on this gold bunny. This one I got at Walmart, and these are really popular. They go fast. So if you cannot find that one at Walmart, I did find this set on Amazon. They're adorable. These came in a 3-pack. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Aldi. Now, if you're wanting a Stanley but don't want to spend the price, you can get it here for $7.99. Aldi has these great Stanley dupe water bottles. I mean, essentially this looks exactly like a Stanley, and you can get it in these fun pastel colors for spring. Aldi has these stackable bottle racks right now. I'm not sure on the price. We're gonna have to figure out the price, but it looks like you could put your water bottles in here. I feel like we should maybe get this and try it out. Now over here in this cabinet is where we keep all of our water bottles. Now before, I would just put them in these little stackable trays that you can get off of Amazon. They work really well, and I'll link those for you down below if you're interested in them. I'm still going to use those containers, but when I saw this at Aldi, I thought it would work really well. And as you can see, we have a bunch of water bottles, okay? They have been just sitting in front of here looking very disorganized. So I'm gonna stack up all of our water bottles. Any overflow, I'm gonna put down here. We also keep things like lunch boxes, and then we have these lunch bags over here. So as I'm putting these in, I feel like they do have a little bit more space in between each of the water bottles. So I like that I can put them all in here. Now this organizer comes in white or black, and hopefully you can find it at your store. This week you could pick up your wood and silicone utensils. These are under $10. You're gonna get 5 of them. You can go with the green. They also have a blue or like an orange color. Scalloped is all the rage this year. I feel like we see it in home decor, kitchen, so many items. This week they have a scallop baking dish that's priced at $9.99. It's dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 450 degrees. I think I found the deal of the week, and my store has a ton of them. These are glass containers that you can use for food storage, and they all have lids. You can get 6 glass containers with lids, price $14.99, you guys. So you can get the rectangular shape. They also have them in the circular one. I feel like at my house we use the rectangular ones more for food storage, but I'd love to know what you use at your house, and if you're needing some of these, come to Aldi now. This week you can save a ton on your kitchen gadgets. There's so much less than if you bought them on Amazon. This little guy I've been wanting to try for a while. It's priced at $3.99 here at Aldi. Compared to Amazon, it's so much more expensive. This little soap dispenser with sponge, we're gonna try that out. Now this is another thing you may need. This is an over the faucet caddy that you can put on your sink for your scrub brushes, really anything you have in your sink. Again, this one's only $3.99. So I wanted to test this out for you, see how well it works. So the way this container works, you're gonna fill it up or maybe halfway with dish soap, and then it comes with this sponge. You just wet the sponge and press it down to get out the dish soap. All right, I'm just gonna place this back on. And then let's see. Okay, so the soap is already coming out. So this would be an option you could do to wash your dishes. I think this is a great option for washing dishes. And if you guys are wondering where I got this stone piece right here, that's off of Amazon. It's made of diatomite stone and it dries really quickly. So I love having things like my soap and now this new dish scrubber up here. I feel like every time I stop by the Aisle of Shame, I always find new cards, and these are great cards. Like this one right here has raised detail right here. This is only 99 cents for this card. Super pretty. Even the envelope has detail on it. So I feel like Aldi is a great place to pick up your cards. Aldi this week has the $6.99 comfort mats, but I have to say they're not very thick. I was recently shopping at Walmart and I found these Pioneer Woman ones. It was a lot more raised. I feel like it's going to be a better comfort mat. So if I had to pick, I'd probably get the Pioneer Woman one at Walmart over this one here at Aldi. Have you ever seen florals here at Aldi? This is the first time I've seen them. Now they're priced at $4.99. There's not a huge selection, but I don't know. I don't know if that's worth $4.99. I feel like I could get a better deal at Walmart. I would love to know if you've tried these silicone scrub gloves. I feel like they're very unique, very different. I haven't seen these before. At my store, there's only one left. I found an Etsy dupe here at Aldi. Etsy sells these expensive scrubbing pads in all these fancy patterns. Well, here at Aldi, they have fancy patterns as well. You get a 2-pack of scrubbing pads. They're only $2.99. These are great to use in your kitchen. You can use them on your dishes. You can use them on your countertops, pretty much anything. Now on the back of here, it says you can use these scrub pads on your dishes, your oven, your sink, anything that you really need to scrub. And I feel like this would work really well on my sink. So we're gonna try this on my sink with a little Dawn Power Wash. I really like these. I think they do a great job of scrubbing my sink. I also want to try it on my oven. So if you see these, I definitely think they're worth picking up. I didn't think my store was gonna have plants out yet, but they have the sorted foliage pack for $3.89. You can get some great plants to put in your planters. If you're looking for some of my favorite planters, I recently just showed you all my favorite ones that they have out right now at Walmart. I'll put the QR code right here that you can scan and it will take you to all of those planters. I'll also link it down below in the description box. This week they have some great wire organization. You could get this under shelf basket. They also have a stackable basket. This is a pan sorter. This is another wire organizer that you could put on a cabinet. You could store things like your grocery sacks. I also thought it would be great to put something like your cutting boards in here. Aldi has so many area rugs to choose from. They're priced under $50 and a pretty good size. They're almost 7x9 for under $50. That's a good price. If you love pancakes, it's your week to come to Aldi because there are so many accessories here. Now these accessories are only $2.99. Now I'm not great at making pancakes, but these should probably help us out. They have all these fun little shapes. You can get the unicorns. They also have dinosaurs. Now this is the thing I would probably buy here. These are little flexible measuring spoons. So they pop up and down. I love those. They have a butter spreader. They also have one of the big flippers that you can use to flip your pancakes with. And this is great too. This is an all-in-one pancake mixer if you like these. All those accessories, $2.99. But to take it a step farther, they also have the pans this week. They have an omelet pan. They have a mini pancake pan with all of these different shapes. They have a large crepe pan. And then this is a waffle pan. Now each one of these pans you could pick up for $12.99. I always find a good organization item here. This little storage bin caught my eye. It's got 6 compartments inside, so you could use this to store pens, paints, really a lot of craft supplies, or I could see this for toys or in a kid's room. I like that it locks on either side. This seems like a pretty good deal. You can get a 3-pack of stretched canvases for $2.99. These are 8x10 and just $1 each. If you're a fan of beeswax, they have them here this week. Now these can be a lot more expensive if you buy them on Amazon. These are great to wrap your sandwiches in. You can also wrap fruits and vegetables. You can wash these in lukewarm water and reuse them over and over. Okay, so the bag says that it has 3 sizes of the beeswax. Now, if you've never used these before, they're great for covering bowls, and you just use the warmth of your hand to kind of put it in place around whatever item you're sealing. And the other thing you could do with these beeswax is, let's say you use half of a fruit or a vegetable and you don't want to use the other half. This will help to preserve it. So just take your beeswax, put it directly onto that item, and then wrap it around. Now you can just store this in your fridge until you're ready to use it. Now I know every week they put out new stuff at Aldi, but my Aldi will take the stuff from the previous week and just move it down. So don't worry if you don't get there that specific week. Still go look for these items because you might be able to find them at your store. If you don't have an umbrella, you need to put one of these in your car because that's when I need it the most. This one's automatic, so you just press the button down here, $5.99, and you can get it in all these fun colors. If you want to save a little bit on readers' glasses that come with a really cute case, they have them here for $4.99. You can get them in the different magnifications. I know the ones that I bought on Amazon are more than these. If you're needing craft room storage or maybe some storage in your closet, I know I'm always wanting extra storage in my closet, maybe consider getting this. It's a 12-drawer system that you put together, and I also like that it rolls. This is under $40. So I put this table together, you guys. I am excited about it. So this is pretty cool. So it does have wheels, so it moves back and forth. And then on one side, it's stationary. So if you want to put like your drink here or your phone, you can, but this actually adjusts. So if you want to like move it with your laptop, so if I'm sitting here, I can be working on my laptop and it's at an angle. If you want it to just be one level, you can do that as well. So if you want to make this a standing table or desk, you just unscrew this right here and then you'll pull it up in the center. So now you have a standing desk. You can, turn it if you want to. This is great. So you could use this with a walking pad or if you just want to stand up. The other thing is, see how it's positioned? You could totally put this like on the side of a bed as well. This was under $30 and I think it was definitely worth it. How adorable are these Snackle boxes? They've now made Snackle boxes and fun little characters. These are so adorable, perfect for your kids. If you have little ones, there's some really neat things you can buy this week from the foam stacking cubes they have. They have little hanging bars. These are neat. I've never seen these before, these little balancing stones. I know my kids would have loved these, this little foam pit with balls, and then they also have gymnastic mats. I love the green and blue you can get in these multi-purpose shears and can opener. They're under $5. Every time we come here, they have new fun flavors for their chips. This flavor I have never seen before. This is a Reuben flavored chip. I'm gonna get it and try it out. I couldn't help it, I had to get these. Let's see what they taste like. Okay, they taste like kettle chips, almost more of like a plain kettle chip. I don't know if I'm really getting a Reuben taste. They almost taste like dill pickle kettle chips. So if you like a classic kettle chip or dill pickle, I think you would like these, but I'm not getting an overwhelming Reuben taste. If you like Dubai chocolate and Nutella, I have something you may want to try out. This is a Dubai chocolate spread. It looks like they've literally just mixed the two together. It's priced at $5.99. My family loves these chomp beef sticks, but they can be a little expensive. You can save about $1 here getting them at Aldi versus Walmart. Who knew you could get the seaweed snack? These are limited edition for $1.99. Now I know these aren't new, but I really want to try them out. They're the dark chocolate freeze-dried bananas. They're priced at $3.99. I love freeze-dried fruit, and if you cover it in chocolate, it's usually even better. So let's see what we think. Okay, this is what they look like. I mean, they're fairly large. I feel like this tastes really good. It would definitely be a great little treat, and it tastes very similar to the name brand freeze-dried fruit that I've tried. If you're looking for the new stuff here at Aldi, come over to the freezer section because that's where they have the newest items. One of the things we just spotted are these smoked salmon poke bowl, and it's priced at $7.99. I feel like this would be a great lunch. If you're a fan of the Arby's curly fries, you can get them here at Aldi in a big bag. They're priced at $4.69. Corned beef Reuben bites with the dipping sauce. These look pretty good. I don't know. They're priced at $7.99. The Whole and Simple line has a few new options. They have this tahini and chickpea protein bowl. They also have adobo chicken grain bowl. Lots of fish options out right now for $6.99. They have this macadamia nut top crusted flounder. They also have a coconut flounder or a tortilla flounder. Okay, this was supposed to be viral. It's called Fruit Riot. It's real frozen fruit covered with candy coating. What do we think of this? Let me know down in the comments what you'll be buying the next time you shop at Aldi. I love knowing your opinion. And if you like this video, make sure to like it so we know to do more in the future. And make sure to subscribe because I want to see you back here. And I'll see you in our next one. Bye.